Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI 15T Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock this device without password. Alright, but before we begin, we need to discuss a few things. Please only try to unlock your phone and no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Also, we will have to perform a factory reset of our device, so we will delete all of our data. So if you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, you will lose all of your data if you choose to continue. Next thing is that after the reset, during the setup process, the phone will know that it has been factory resetted, and it will want you to still draw your or type your password as a confirmation that you are a previous user, or you can use the second function, which is logging into the Google account on which you were logged in before the reset. That's like a confirmation that we are actually a user, but not some kind of a thief. So you need to remember about it, that after the reset, during the setup process, you will have to type and log in into the Google account on which you were logged in before the reset. Now we can begin. As you can see, my phone is locked. I cannot do anything. I cannot remember the password. And now what to do? We need to power off our device, so click volume up and power button at the same time and select power off. Now we need to launch the recovery mode. We do it by using the 2-button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. And when the XIAOMI logo appears, we need to release the finger from the power button, but we just need to keep holding volume up. So start with holding both of the buttons. Now release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. Just like that. Now we are in the recovery mode. Alright, to move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that. And now we need to select wipe data. Click the power button. Now select wipe all data. Remember that it's the last moment where you can stop. Click confirm. The process has started. Okay, data wiped successfully. Click on back to main menu. Now select the reboot to system, and now we just need to wait until the phone turns on, and the next thing that will appear is setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.